this is Erica with Crafts Direct, and I want to show you how fun and easy it was to embellish this fun board. The board comes super cute already. This is all on there to begin with, so all I did was add photos and some paper. I used the chipboard embellishments from one of my favorite paper collections and added the cute little enamel dots. So let me show you how I made this.
To start out, we're going to take our 2 pieces of 12 by 12 Battleship Gray cardstock paper and cut 4 rectangles that are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. Then we're going to take the Gingham Foundry Sunday Best paper and cut a 4 by 6 rectangle. Then we'll take the paper we just cut and our other 3 photos that are 4 by 6 and put them on the gray background. Next we'll take our natural cording from Lawn Fawn and wrap it around the piece of paper we cut out to be 4 by 6. We'll start in the back of the paper, wrap it around each side, and then double knot it at the center. Then we'll flip that piece of paper over, add some glue to the back with a glue runner, and stick it down to that gray matted paper. Then we'll take the You and Me heart from the chipboard embellishments, add 3D foam squares to the back of it, and place it in the center of the twine, right where your knot is. You'll wrap the twine to the front of the heart and tie a bow. Then you'll grab some more chipboard embellishments. I chose the floral ones and place them on each side of the heart. The next thing we're going to do is glue down all of our photos to that gray background, and then we'll start embellishing them. So you can take whichever pieces you like from the chipboard embellishments and place them on your photos. You can use 3D squares to make them a little bit higher up. You can trim them, you can decorate them however you'd like. Once you've got your photos embellished, you'll take out your board, clip the photos into the hinge clips, and then you can take your wild asparagus enamel dots, take the peach ones, and put them in the center of the hinge clips. And then you can continue embellishing until it looks just the way you like it.
You can find all the supplies to make this project at craftsdirect.com and go to the Projects tab.